In this video, I want to share with you 25 football prompts that you can use for your merch on demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 25 football prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So here we are on my merch on demand dashboard, and it is Thursday, January 30th, 6:07 a.m. sitting at one sale. To be honest, the past couple of days have been kind of rough. I had that big day on Monday where I did, $80, but then the next day, things kind of came crashing down, and I ended up actually having 17 returns. If we look at this, 17 returns in one day, which is kind of wild. And then yesterday, I had only 4 returns, but they were all like $19.99 shirts, so I had like $12 in returns. It was kind of rough. I don't know, how are you guys doing with your returns? Because if we look at me, I'm sitting at 122 returns for January. In December, it was only 80. So comment below, let me know if you guys are getting lots of returns too. But overall, I'm sitting at 1,098 sales for the month and $1,065 in royalties for the month of January. Now, also let me show you Etsy as well. Etsy, for yesterday, I did 6 sales, $62 in revenue. I sold 1 t-shirt, 1 mug, 3 wall arts, and 1 PNG file. I probably profited somewhere around $30, $35. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, the links are in the description. I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So we have the Super Bowl coming up. It's coming up in 10 days. We got the Philadelphia Eagles going up against the Kansas City Chiefs, and we're going to see a big uptick in football shirts, people searching for football shirts, to get ready for this event. Now, I would highly recommend staying away or doing anything that has to do related with Philadelphia Eagles or the Kansas City Chiefs. If we just go to Merch Dominator and just take a quick look at their deleted design sections, basically everything that is trending right now, everything that's getting deleted right now has to do with the Philadelphia Eagles. So we can see right here, top 3 Eagles. I actually made a YouTube short about this niche right here, about the Philadelphia mayor spelling Eagles wrong. It kind of went viral, and even though this isn't exactly the word Eagles, it's similar. It's in reference to the Philadelphia Eagles team. So anything that's related to professional football or professional sports, I just stay away from. So we don't want to do stuff like this, but we can definitely just do like generic kind of like football shirts. So let me go ahead and show you those prompts. Now, if you want to get the prompts, I have a link in the description. It will take you to this page right here, and you can click on this one, 25 football prompts. I'm offering a sale on my whole shop. For today only, 50% off. I have increased the price on my prompts. I was selling my prompts for only 10 cents, but now I've bumped it up to 15. The reason why is to cover the cost for PayHip, who takes their cut, and also for PayPal. But I still think it's pretty cheap, 15 cents a prompt. And I've also changed things here with the different categories or collections. So if you want just free prompts, you can click on the header right here. Get all the free prompts, evergreen prompts, holiday prompts. It's like ones that would make sense right now for the time of year would be like St. Patrick's Day prompts, Mardi Gras prompts, Pi prompts, or Pi Day prompts, things like that. And for the monthly prompts, one that would make sense would be this one for March. So 100 prompts. I charged $15 for it, but now it's only $7.50 for today only. So if you're interested, you can get those 25 football prompts right here and browse around if you want any other prompts. But now let's go ahead and take a look at those actual prompts and designs that I made in Ideogram. So here we are on my Ideogram page, and here are the 25 prompts. Let me just get my face out the way. So the first one is this turkey and touchdowns one. That could be a good evergreen one for, especially around Thanksgiving time. Then we got football is life. I'm just here for wieners and touchdowns. Just a boy who loves football. Just a girl is a very popular phrase, but here we're putting our own little spin on it and using just a boy who loves football. You can also do just a dad as well. I mean, you have to check for trademark. I don't think it's trademark, but check. Just a dad who loves football, just a husband who loves football. You can use certain demographics. All these prompts can be scaled as well. You can put your own spin on it. Run the dang ball. That's what a lot of people say on like the teams at the 1-yard line. This especially is a good one for those Seattle Seahawks fans. My heart is on the line. So this is going to be good for like parents, a mom, a dad whose son is an offensive lineman, maybe like a guard or a center. I'm not just any football dad, I'm the linesman dad. So here we're getting really specific, we're really niching down. So it's not just a football dad, but it's a football dad and cross niche with linemen, offensive linemen, senior mom squad. So this is a really good one. You can actually even put in the year too, like 2025 to make it more specific. And then next we have game day vibes, kind of like a nice little distressed theme on it. I play for Jesus. So here we're cross nation, like Christianity, God, religion, Jesus. With football, football is played on Sundays here in America. Sunday is when everybody goes to church. Ready to tackle 5th grade. This is another really good one that can be scaled, whether it's 4th grade, 3rd grade, 2nd grade, kindergarten, 6th grade, or even maybe all the way up to like high school. Classy until kickoff. So I think this is a good one for like women. My football player calls me dad. This is a very popular design phrase where it says my favorite, and then you just type in, usually it's with like profession. So my favorite lawyer, my favorite banker, my favorite engineer, calls me dad. Or mom, again, could be scaled out to grandma, grandpa. Lineman, like a normal mom, but tougher. A lot of the designs that I saw that were doing well had to do with like the offensive lineman. I'm not just his sister, I'm his #1 fan. So another good one that can be scaled out. Sundays are for Jesus and football. So another cross niche one where we're cross niche in football and Jesus. Then here are some good ones that I think will work well for the Super Bowl. So yay, go sports, do the thing, win the points. That's kind of funny. I hate both teams, so this is one that I would wear because I don't like either team, the Philadelphia Eagles or the Kansas City Chiefs. I'm a San Francisco 49er fan, and it's been kind of rough the past few years, making it to the Super Bowl, but choking. After review, the goalie didn't touch second base, repeat 5th down, so this is a really funny one. I just hope both teams have fun. I don't care who wins, I'm just here for the snacks. Mom of the birthday boy. Lineman, another lineman one. Lineman because quarterbacks need heroes too. And then I'm just here for the snacks and commercials. So another good Super Bowl one. I would avoid putting Super Bowl in my title or bullet points. Oh, and then this last one, another game day one. All right, so those are the 25 football Super Bowl prompts that you can use for your merch on demand business. Again, if you want them, the link will be in the description. You get 25 football prompts here for only less than $2 on sale for today only. And then here's some other resources. Oh, and I also put it in my Creative Fabrica shop as well. So you can get 25 football prompts. So if you're signed up to Creative Fabrica, if you have a subscription with them, you can get it basically for, I guess, free or whatever. But here are the resources, or here are some resources that I want to recommend to you that I'm currently using to help me get sales like this. So $25, $25, $36, $35, $80. I wish I could get more days like this. $29, $27. But so right here we have the buy A prompts. I already showed you that. But Ideogram. So if you don't have Ideogram or some type of AI design software or website, I would highly recommend it. Me personally, my favorite one is Ideogram. I haven't used Kittl or Flux. I've heard those are good too. But if you sign up to my Ideogram, or if you sign up to Ideogram using my affiliate link, you get an additional 100 bonus priority prompts. That's above and beyond just what you regularly get when you sign up for one of their monthly plans. You can go free, you can go for $20, or you can do the $60 one. I'm doing the $60 one because I do a lot of prompts. Here we have Merch Dominator. So Merch Dominator is who I use to do all my research. And let's just go ahead and see if we can find any good trending niches. So let's go to bestsellers. And gotta wait for it to load. Okay, there we go. Coffee's good. Click on newest and then click on search. This one right here, I don't really care. Market seems to be the one that is really taking off, but don't blame me. I voted for Sandy. Okay, so this is definitely would be a good one right here that I would do. This is a good election or political niche. I like it because it doesn't have anybody's name, kind of like this one. When there's people's names in it, it kind of like stresses me out, so I don't like doing that. If you remember, about a week ago there was that No Mercy one where it had the bishop's name. I also avoided that one as well because I just don't like using people's names. But this one is definitely going to get taken down. This seems to be the biggest one right now. I don't really care, Margaret. And like I said, eagles. Here we got Groundhog Day. But this is just how I like to find my trending niches using Merch Dominator. Now, I will admit Merch Dominator is kind of expensive. I think it's like 50 bucks a month. So if you want something that can do basically the same thing for a little bit cheaper, but not have as nice of an interface, you can also get Flying Research. Basically does the same thing. Here I have my merch course for beginners, and I have it on Gumroad, and I also have it on, what's it called, Udemy as well. All right, Udemy, you can get a bigger discount, and I wish I would have had that up, but so you can see all my reviews. I have a lot of reviews. If you want, you can go to my Creative Fabrica shop and get designs. Like I just made a bunch of designs for these Just a Nurse who loves dogs, golden retrievers, things like that. But I put a lot of my designs up on Creative Fabrica, so if you don't want to use prompts, you can just use those designs from Creative Fabrica. And then I also have EVERBEE. So EVERBEE is by far the best research tool for Etsy. It is how I've been able to get sales like this right here. You can see if we go to my monthly stats this month. So not the best month. January is usually pretty slow. 2,000, about 300 bucks in revenue. But EVERBEE is by far the best research tool. You know, it's mandatory in my opinion if you're selling on Etsy to have EVERBEE. And then also I like to use PRINTFUL to fulfill all my t-shirt orders, all my mugs, my stickers, hoodies, aprons. They got a whole bunch of products. They are by far, in my opinion, my favorite fulfillment service to do drop shipping on Etsy. But those are services I'm offering. If you're interested, take a look at them. If you want to support me, if not, it's all good. I appreciate you watching my content. Subscribe to the channel. It's free. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them. I will make sure to personally respond to all of your questions. So make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.